and welcome. Is that a squat? It's kind of dirty, so sorry. I just got back from the gym. I did a shoulder workout, part of the Marvel challenge that I just launched. And we are about to fuel our muscles. And I'm gonna show you the easiest, most high protein dinner recipe I've personally been doing for the past few months because I'm so busy. So a quick high protein dinner is what I need in my life right now. So I'm gonna show you what I do and how easy it is. We will get started. I have a bowl because we're gonna be making a salad. Usually this is 2 servings for me, so that's why I put it in a bowl. I'll put the top on, I'll shake it up too to also mix the dressing. So we're gonna do that real quick. Next, I'm gonna add cherry tomatoes because I'm obsessed with cherry tomatoes. I feel like it makes a salad even better. Okay, and after this, we're going to put a lid on this. Shake it. As that sits, I'm going to fry 2 eggs. So let's do that real quick. Last, I'm going to add some hot sauce and then we will call it a day. Oh my gosh, this looks so good. Guys, that literally took me like maybe 5-10 minutes. Look how good that looks. Quick and easy. I believe it's around 600 calories. I'll pop up the macros on the screen and I think it's 60 grams of protein. Quick little dinner for post shoulder workouts. Let's get it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Feel free to let me know what kind of videos you want to see throughout this Marvel challenge. But until next time, I gotta set that down. Peace.